Got one. Let's freaking go! Here,
Hey! Oh! Can I hold him by the mouth? Just so like stuck my thumb in?
No, you'll lose him. Here. Hey guys, caught this freaking carp. Here, you hold him, Austin. Here, hold him by the gill plate.
What?
Hold him by the gill plate. Put your 4 fingers under his gill plate. There you are. It's not the correct way to hold him, but it's easiest to hold him. Here, look at that. Oh. Hey, it's a fish, dude. He's big. 3-pounder, dude. Nice, dude. Well, Austin hooks up while I'm fucking around. What would you do if he spit it? Is he cold? Nice, dude. Here, show it up. Look at that belly on him. Not that big, but still a nice belly. I like the fuel bass. Jesus, bruh. What you be eating?
Yeah, I know. I don't think
Get that release. Or just throw him. Nigga, why'd you throw me? Austin just hooks up with another one.
Well, there's another wacky hook because there's no way this fish is not gut hooked by now.
No, he's good. Isn't he?
Oh, there it is. Tell me what, he's gonna cut the line, man.
Is that bigger? Oh, yep, fuck that. Nice hook placement.
As he bites me.
Well, this time just let him go right in front of you.
For about the past week or so, I've been getting black screen whenever I upload any video. And I was hoping this issue.
Here's the release.
Look at that behemoth. It's slime everywhere. Oh, look at this.
Well, now I gotta go fucking retie.
Is that fucking
You're stepping on my rod.
Oh, I wasn't doing that. I don't know who that is.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
It's a 9-pounder that we just weighted.
Oh God! Jesus! Get it! The water's too murky, so you can't really see it going away. But
Hey, I didn't break the hook that time.
oh Jesus!
Are you ready?
Yeah.
I think there's like...
Oh, you have one? Yeah, you have one. Oh yeah. Austin has one.
Big one, dude.
No, it's not.
Yes,
Oh shit! It is.
Dude.
Get him.
I think
No, he's
I
not.
ball-hooked him.
No, he's not big.
Get your pole out of the way. Get your pole out of the way.
No, wait. He's not that big. Here. Bring him over to me as close as you can. I'm fucking getting in. I don't give a shit. Get him. I'm not gonna grab your line. I don't want to break it. No, he's about the size as mine.
Hey, grab him.
Fucking Nick! What the fuck? Get out! I can't move.
Oh shit! Here, you're stepping on him.
No, I got him.
Yeah!
Come here, you bitch! Arg, motherfucker! Fucking went in between my legs, you fucking creep. No, that's a little bit smaller than mine, I think. No, yours is not as chunky.
Mine's fatter.
No, yours is longer. Dude, nice. How'd you get slimy as fuck? Like the fight is awesome, dude. I can't believe he went through my legs.
I was like, what?
And I didn't want to step, like I didn't want to move because if you went to the side and I stepped on the line, then you would fucking hate me forever.
Exactly.